May 31, 2025 Juba. South Sudan's President Salva Kiir on Friday evening replaced 3 members of the National Constitution Review Commission (NCRC). In a decree on the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation (SSBC), Kiir replaced Dr. Majak Agoth, Atem former detainee, FD Akec Bior women, and Koang Lith other political parties, and appointed Riak Daniel Dual FD, Maria Gideon Galmar, women, and Mayen Turich other political parties as their replacements. Established under Presidential Order No. 2012 and reconstituted through the Constitution-making process Act of 2022. NCRC's mandate encompasses several critical tasks for examining the Transitional Constitution to identify areas requiring amendment or enhancement, conducting nationwide public consultations and civic education, and drafting the permanent constitution, among others. In other decree on the Unity State Parliament, KIIR revoked the appointment of Peter Deng Bellew USAP Party and Monaka Nayor Agoth from the national agenda, and appointed Loni Maday both Lek and Nikong Chaptek. In Western Equatoria State Parliament, he revoked the appointment of Riak Simon, representing the USAP Party, and appointed Taban David Zachariah Boro. In the Lake State Parliament, KIIR revoked the appointment of Ark Merrill Ball from the national agenda, and appointed Real as his replacement. In Upper Nile State, he revoked the appointment of Jalamina Mating Bilkui and Coach Isaac Cole, both from the USAP, and replaced them with Akal Arat Monikwini Maker and Renkil Makal Godquath. Breaking news! Salva Kiir has reshuffled members of the National Constitution Review Commission (NCRC) and various state parliaments. In a decree broadcast on SSBC, Kiir replaced Dr. Majak Agoth Atem, Akec Bior, and Koang Lith on the NCRC with Riak Daniel Dual, Maria Gideon Galmar, and Mayen Turich, respectively. The NCRC, initially created under Presidential Order No. 02/2012 and reconstituted by the 2022 Constitution-Making Process Act, is tasked with reviewing the Transitional Constitution, conducting nationwide public consultations, and drafting a permanent constitution. Further decrees also saw new appointments in state parliaments. Unity State, Peter Deng Bellew and Monaka Nayor Agoth were replaced by Loni Maday both Lek and Nikong Chaptek. Western Equatoria State, Riak Simon was replaced by Taban David Zachariah Boro. Lake State, Ark Merrill Ball was replaced by Real. Upper Nile State, Chalamina Mating Bilkui and Coach Isaac Cole were replaced by Akal Arat Monikwini Maker and Renkil Makal Godquath. No reasons for the reshuffles were disclosed.